Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you 6 water sports that you shouldn't miss doing in Dandeli.
राजनाई सर 40 फीट है इधर 4040 4 फीट ಐತಿ
Dandeli is famous for its whitewater river rafting and lot of other adventure water sports. The place we did all these water sports were nearly 24 km far from the place where we stayed. It took nearly 1 hour to reach there. So the first thing we did is sobbing. It looks childish, but let me tell you, this activity is going to drain you out. Another thing you should do in Dandeli is river kayaking.
क्लोज में एक थोड़ा वाइडर है, दोनों सेम, नॉट टू मच वाइडर, नॉट टू मच क्लोजर नियर द ब्लेड. योर ब्लेड शुड बी वर्टिकल. पावर फेस आपकी तरफ करो. हाँ
Okay?
हाँ, आपका नी तो पैर बैंड करो, ये पैर इधर.
हाँ.
और your knee should be wider. हाँ.
Okay.
आपका नी वाइडर होना चाहिए. क्लोज रखोगे इजीली डिसबैलेंस होगा.
Okay.
ये जिप लाइन के नीचे मत जाओ, सामने जिप लाइन के नीचे मत जाओ.
Okay.
डोंट गो टू फार.
हाँ.
पैड.
Here, both single and double-seater kayaks are available, but we decided to venture out in single boats. I have done kayaking before in Anandagiri Hills, but this altogether was a different experience. My kayaking experience in Anandagiri Hills didn't help me here at all. He had to teach me again how to paddle.
पर आई बोलो ना जोर से यहाँ पे.
Next thing we did is river water rafting. I have put up our complete of river water rafting in the earlier video. I'll put up the link of that in the description box below, so do check it out. Next on the list is jacuzzi bath. You can just sit on the rocks and let the river naturally massage you. You do not have to worry much about the safety as there are trained persons everywhere here, and also we are wearing life jacket.
One, two, three, go. Next.
Another thing to do, just jump into the 12-meter deep Kali river, and if you know swimming, you can swim. Otherwise, you can just float on the river as I did. It's not advisable to take off your life jacket.
Okay, next. राजनाई सर 40 फीट है इधर 4040 4 फीट ಐತಿ. ಗಾಳಿ ಹತ್ತೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಳಿ ಹತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. चलो सर जल्दी. Ready 1 2 3. Relax. बोट छोड़ दो सर. Leave it boat.
Another interesting thing to do is rappelling. I have done this in Gandikota. Compared to Gandikota, height is less here, but it's very enjoyable as you will be going towards the river, and when you are about to reach, you will be almost drenched in the water.
कहाँ ना जाओ. 1, 2, 3.
So these are the 6 water sports we did in Dandeli. And can you guess how much cost per person for this entire water sport? We did it in just 750 rupees. Isn't it cheap? It will nearly take 3 to 4 hours to do the entire water sports here, and it's better to take the complete package, and if you are going in a group, they may give you in a lesser price. We booked the water sports through our accommodation only, so we got some discounts also on the final amount. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you're planning a trip to Dandeli, you shouldn't miss doing all of these water sports. In the next video, I'll be showing you how we traveled from Hyderabad to Dandeli and where we stayed and all the places we visited in Dandeli. So stay tuned for that video. Until then, bye bye.